Tired of wrestling with complicated payment gateways for your Indian business? Let's cut to the chase. Can you actually use Stripe in India? The answer, unfortunately, is a bit nuanced. Officially, Stripe doesn't directly operate in India with full functionality, like it does in the US or Europe, meaning you can't directly create a Stripe account using an Indian business address and bank account for receiving payouts. However, there's a workaround. Stripe Atlas. This program helps you incorporate your business in the US, allowing you to then open a US bank account and, consequently, a Stripe account. Here's the breakdown. First, you apply to Stripe Atlas. If accepted, they handle the legal paperwork to form a US company, typically a Delaware CCORP. Next, Stripe Atlas assists you in setting up a US bank account. This bank account will be linked to your newly formed US company. Finally, with your US business and bank account in place, you can create a Stripe account and start accepting payments. Keep in mind this path involves US legal and tax compliance, currency conversion fees, and the complexity of managing a foreign entity is crucial to consult with legal and financial professionals. Alternatively, consider exploring popular Indian payment gateways like Razorpay or Payu, which are specifically designed for the Indian market and offer direct integration with local banks.